Welcome to the Social Media Mastery Training in the Success Team. Today I'm going to go over Instagram and just tell you a little bit about how I generate organic traffic just by posting and messaging people on Instagram and using my story and things like that. So, first of all, here's Instagram. Obviously, you can go over here and to see your own profile. And as you see here, you've got my profile photo, and I found a screenshot of my photo with a little play button to make people more interested in playing my story. So obviously you have your story here with the red circle around it. You can see who has seen your post and things like that. And you can see how many posts you've made, how many followers you have, and how many you're following. Now, what I highly recommend doing is going to edit your profile. Where is it? You have to go to settings over here, the little settings tab, and go over and switch to a business account where it says switch back to personal account. If you don't have a Facebook page, you need to make a Facebook page, especially if you're going to be doing ads and things like that. You're going to have a Facebook fan page or a Facebook business page. And what you can do is connect that Facebook page to your Instagram and create a business page on Instagram so you can actually see your insights and you can actually see what posts are doing the best, what kind of impressions these posts have. This one has 9,500. This is 6,700. You can just see all the different posts for the last year, and as well as your stories. And you can see which days are doing better for you. When your followers are more opt in to look at your stuff, you can look at days and you can look at the hours of each day and see when your followers are more active. It's very cool little insight that you can see different followers, what percentage of men and women. And then what I do is I just post normal photos, just whatever I'm doing, different experiences, going hiking, going to the beach, just at a influencer party, some different things when I was out in LA and California. Just day-to-day things, little birthday party we were at, my brother's birthday, New Year when we went to Dallas, just different things like that, just to keep people up to date with what I'm doing and who I'm connected with. And I like to tag people so you can see who all I'm with and types of people that are in my network, and just really kind of like to give some inspiration inside my my comments and in the photos. And so each photo you have, each post, you can actually see the insights right there if you have the business page, and you can promote different posts so you can actually send people to your post and then to whatever offer you have. So other than that, you can obviously see who else is posting. But a big thing that not a lot of you may be able to do or may not be able to do is actually, when you're doing a post, let's just say this, when you're doing a post, you can actually at the top here, if you have over 10,000 followers, you can click this chain link over by the little sticker button, and you can actually add a website. And in adding that website, people have the option to swipe up. So I'm going to add my personal website here, preview the link, make sure it works. And what you can do is make sure that it works. It takes you to the website that you want to be at. And then you can go ahead and click done. And when you post that, I'm not going to post it because I posted this earlier, but when you post that, you're actually going to have people being able to swipe up and go directly to whatever offer or website that you're trying to share with them, versus Snapchat where they have to go off and type in the URL and get it right and then check it out. With this, they can literally just swipe up and get instant access to the website that you're wanting to share with them. So, you can obviously search people if you don't know how to do that. If you don't know how to use Instagram, I guess, but Mike, Vinny, some different people, Jordan, different people that I'm following, different people that I'm connected with, you can see here. And we all do the same thing, different posts, different quotes, whether it be in the picture itself or in the comments. You're just wanting to post things that you're doing, keeping people up to date with everything so that you can show people that you're a real person and keep them up to date with whatever you got going on. Now, the most important thing I think is probably messaging. If you're messaging people, I do a very generic message. Hey, how are you? It's great to connect. Where are you from? And then people, they give you a good response, and you can really get a good conversation from here, because what you can do is you can actually build form. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, I highly recommend going to the document that I've created, bit.ly/I intro to training, and it should be here in the training as well, this link. But what you can do is go here and actually follow this, and it'll teach you a little bit about social media, how to promote different posts, present posts, future posts, business posts, miscellaneous things, how to actually build relationships the right way. If you're trying to build organically through messaging, you can't just say, hey, join my team, or hey, are you interested in making money, whatever. You have to actually make conversation with this person, right? And you have to do that with multiple people. So you can get all of that in here, and you can go with the perfect invite that Mike Metzger put together, a slideshow teaching you how to do this, because this is the process that I use to sell about 35 machines over the last year. And doing that, I just made conversation with people on the internet, mostly Instagram, some Snapchat and Facebook, and just sent them to our presentation that we've created, and then we get them on the phone, get them qualified, and then if they can purchase the product, go from there. Now, that is, like I said, the biggest thing in my opinion is how to actually talk to people, build that relationship, build that relatability, and get them to the presentation. So with that, that's about it for my social media, for my Instagram training. Hashtags are very key. So if you want, I'll go over hashtags real quick. I always post a few different hashtags after I make my post, so it doesn't always show up. So you see that it doesn't show up. It doesn't look too spammy. They're just right here in the first comment. So I didn't do it on that one. But anyway, that's what I recommend if you want to reach a certain amount of people or certain interest, certain hashtags. Obviously go over there. But again, refer to the document on how to message people, how to post. Make sure you're doing high quality posts with high quality video. Make sure you're recording horizontally, not vertically, so that it actually fills up the full screen and looks good. Taking high quality pictures with a high quality camera or camera phone. And you can always check your analytics right up here in the top right whenever your insights when you've connected your business page. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next module. Thank you guys.